will be the starting lineup for the Rumble Pony. Batting first to playing shortstop, number 3, Wyatt Young. Magic, number 24, Francisco Alvarez. Hitting third, playing third base, number 22, Brett Reed. In the cleanup spot, playing second base, number 11, Keith Ritter. First base, batting fifth, number 20, Jeremy Gaskin. Designated hitter, hitting sixth, number 19, Peter Sanger. In left field, number 9, Zach Ashford. Hitting right field, number 21, Matt Whitaker. Center field, number 7, Antoine Duplantis. And the mound of the Rumble Ponies will be number 23, David Griffin. Here's the starting lineup for the Fisher Cats tonight. Leading off and playing second base, Tanner Morris. Batting second and playing first base, number 15, L.J. Talley. Hitting third, the designated hitter, number 11, Orlando Martinez. Cleanup hitter is the shortstop, number 1, Luis Melo Santos. In left field, hitting fifth, number 19, Spencer Horwitz. In right field, batting on 6, number 9, Sebastian Espino. Center field, hitting 7, 20, Will Robinson. Third base, batting 1 2, Rafael Antigua. Catching, hitting 9th, number 3, Chris Beck. On the mound tonight, 7, right-hander Max